Did you know that ignoring a bad throttle body could cost you thousands in repairs down the line? What starts as a simple cleaning job could turn into a full engine replacement if you don't act fast. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Today we are diving into something that might be causing your car to act a little moody. Yep, we are talking about the throttle body. Now before you roll your eyes and think, "Gah, another car part I've never heard of," trust me, this one's important. A bad throttle body can turn your smooth ride into a total nightmare. So let's break it down. Here are 5 symptoms of a bad throttle body that you need to know. First things first, what is a throttle body? Think of it as the gatekeeper of your engine's air supply. It controls how much air flows into the engine, which is crucial for combustion. When it's working perfectly, you don't even notice it. But when it's acting up, oh, you will notice. Where is the throttle body on a car? The throttle body of a car is located between the air filter and the intake manifold. It's connected to the gas pedal by a cable or linkage that moves the throttle shaft when the gas pedal is pressed. Let's get into the symptoms of a bad throttle body. The first symptom, rough idling. Okay, imagine this. You are at a red light and your car starts shaking like it's doing the cha-cha. Not fun, right? If your throttle body is dirty or failing, it can mess with the air-to-fuel ratio, causing your engine to idle rough. It's like your car is saying, "Hey, something's wrong here." The next symptom, poor acceleration. You are trying to merge onto the highway, you press the gas and nothing. Or worse, your car hesitates like it's second-guessing your life choices. A bad throttle body can cause delayed or sluggish acceleration, and let me tell you, it's not the time for your car to be indecisive. The next symptom, reduced fuel efficiency. Alright, who here loves spending extra money on gas? Crickets? Yeah, me neither. If your throttle body isn't functioning properly, your engine might burn more fuel than it needs. So if you are suddenly visiting the gas station more often, your throttle body might be the culprit. The fourth symptom, check engine light. The dreaded check engine light, the universal symbol of fire. While this light can mean a million things, a faulty throttle body is definitely one of them. If it's on, don't ignore it. Get your car checked before things get worse. The last symptom, stalling or no start. This is the worst case scenario. You are running late, you hop in your car, turn the key, and nothing. Or maybe it starts but then stalls out like it's giving up on life. A severely damaged throttle body can prevent your engine from getting enough air, leading to stalling or even a no-start situation. Trust me, you don't want to be stuck in a parking lot googling, "Why won't my car start?" So, there you have it. 5 symptoms of a bad throttle body. If you are experiencing any of these, don't panic. Sometimes a simple cleaning can fix the issue. But it's beyond that, it's best to get it checked by a professional. Remember, your car is like a partner. It communicates with you. Listen to it, take care of it, and it will take care of you. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.